Now boys, what you got there is Toutons, right? Oh, you go on, you tell us what Toutons are. That's me talking, but it's going to be her talking next.
I had no place in making of the Toutons except it was a suggestion. It actually came from Kristen because on her first visit to St. John's, Newfoundland, she was introduced to Velma's place, and Velma's serves extraordinary Toutons. So you see what the Toutons. You see these Toutons in the tan. They're dough. And there's no other way to say it. What we have actually is a French-Canadian Touton with a little bit of with Newfie on top, inside and all over, because they're French bread.
I'm the Newfie. I'm the Newfie that's on top, inside, and all over.
A French bread recipe made in Ontario, and with a Newfoundland influence. And with a Chinese request.
Pretty much.
So these Toutons truly are Canadian.
This is the UN Touton.
Yeah. She says she loves it with her flesh.
Oh, now look at them.
Oh, rise up.
They are looking good.
Rise up. Now this is the beginning, folks. This is just where the Toutons began. Here on the rolling counter with the pin. But the end of Toutons looks fantastic on your plate, smothered.
That's right. You just gotta get it floured right up.
All over. Flour all over. Yes, this is how they dressed in Velma. So they use this molasses, maybe not as great quality as this, and they go like this. I think they did wear fancy moves like this too. Nice. And maybe they went like this diagonally. But really, I don't recall.
It's gorgeous though, it's gorgeous.
Oh wow.
Show me the enjoying.
Guys, this is so good. Like, this is the best thing.
You missed that. You got black oil all over his teeth.
Black oil right all over your wrists.
It's so good. Where's your show?
Yeah. Oh, God.
He hates it.
Tell me he hates it. Oh my God.
What do I do now?
This is the bridge trail.
Great spot here, but I can see that you're going to love this because it's the perfect spot to film Stuart and corn.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, we burned like the road. It's purified. Wow. Yeah, 90 feet. Oh, yeah? Did people kind of hang out in the water down there?
Very few people do, which is the beauty. If you go down, it tends to be all yours. Because it's quite a hike.
Yeah. How do they go down? They have to go down that way?
You have to go all the way along the ridge, way over there.
So it's not like
and you hike down, and then you have to come back up the riverbed. The riverbed is all boulders like this.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work, but it's fun.
So no one is like rock climbing all the way back?
No, people have been stuck. Gotten stuck trying to climb.
You can see the cool, you can see like the roots of the trees just hanging over. It looks really cool.
Where?
It's right here. It's
Oh, wow.
so cool. They're just like coming out over the rock.
It's wicked.
Yeah, I don't know about that there, Poppy.
Did the hobbits build this too?
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Very cool.
So it's actually the exit of an aquifer that used to be there. So if you look up the hillside behind it, you can see the hillside kind of dips in. So there used to be a pipe, and I think that's they used to run water along the top, and then it would rejoin the falls here. And then when they changed it all, they blew up the pipe for safety, but they left the stone entrance.
And back we go.
It'll go.
Where'd it go?
Can you tip it up? It's working.
Damn it. Not that side though.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Nate.
Yeah.
You're not tipping.
You know why?
Because you're tasting.
Yeah. You were tipping or you tasted.
You can't go in the doggies. Come on, come
Okay, everybody.
Let's go.
What about the other stuffing? That's it?
Let's go eat lunch. Let's go eat lunch, honey. Come on, you two.
Gotta change your lighting.
Come on, let's
That's that.
Is it blue?
Stuffing's yummy.
Kristen won't can.
You're
You
crazy.
want stuffing?
Stuffing's my favorite.
What do you want then?
If I'm gonna eat it all then. I'm gonna eat it all.
Uh-oh, Shane might eat it all.
Mr. Photographer.
I know what you
I'm gonna sit down and start eating instead.
That was delicious.
You love chicken.
You love chicken?
Yeah.
Me too. It's a telephone book.